Ever found yourself staring at your Raiz balance, wondering, where's my money? You've decided to cash out, maybe for a treat, a bill, or just to see those hard-earned micro-investments return to your bank account. But then, the waiting game begins. How long exactly does it take for Raiz to pay out? That's the question we're tackling today, and trust me, it's a common one. Before we dive into the specifics, let's just quickly recap what Raiz is for those who might be new. Raiz is a micro-investing platform that allows you to automatically invest your spare change from everyday purchases. Think of it as a digital piggy bank that works to grow your money. It's fantastic for building wealth gradually, but when you need access to those funds, knowing the payout timeline is crucial. So, you've hit that withdraw button. What happens next? Well, Raiz, like most investment platforms, doesn't instantly transfer your funds. There are a few steps involved that contribute to the overall processing time. First off, Raiz needs to sell your investment units. This isn't a simple click of a button. It involves market trading, and the timing of these trades can fluctuate depending on market conditions. Generally, Raiz states that withdrawals are processed within 3 to 5 business days. Now, let's break that down. Business days exclude weekends and public holidays. So, if you initiate a withdrawal on a Friday afternoon, the clock doesn't really start ticking until Monday morning. The first couple of days are typically spent processing the sell order of your investment units. This is where market volatility can play a role. If the market is particularly busy or experiencing significant fluctuations, it might take a little longer to execute your sell order. Once your units are sold, the funds need to be transferred to your linked bank account. This is where the standard banking processing times come into play. Banks also have their own internal processing timelines, which can vary. Some banks might process transfers faster than others. Another factor that can influence the payout time is the timing of your withdrawal request. If you submit your request early in the morning on a business day, it might get processed faster than if you submit it late in the afternoon. This is because Raiz has cutoff times for processing transactions. It's also worth noting that if you're withdrawing a significant amount of money, Raiz might need to conduct additional verification checks. This is a standard security measure to protect your funds. These checks can add a little extra time to the overall process. Now, let's talk about what you can do to potentially speed things up, or at least manage your expectations. First, always make sure your bank account details linked to your Raiz account are correct. Any discrepancies can lead to delays. Second, be mindful of public holidays and weekends. Plan your withdrawals accordingly to avoid unnecessary waiting times. Third, keep an eye on your Raiz app or online portal for updates on your withdrawal status. Raiz usually provides notifications and updates throughout the process. While 3 to 5 business days is the general guideline, it's always a good idea to factor in a little extra time, just in case. Unexpected delays can occur due to various factors, including technical issues or market volatility. Ultimately, patience is key. Raiz is designed for long-term investing, and while withdrawals are possible, it's not meant to be a rapid-fire transaction system. Understanding the process and managing your expectations can help alleviate any frustration during the payout waiting period. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.